Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks. Microsoft is on the rise following their earnings report, but an update from a UK regulator could threaten their Activision Blizzard deal. Let's take a closer look. Alright guys, welcome back and thank you all so much for being here. Today we are focusing on tech giant Microsoft. Now their stock is gaining ground today following a solid earnings report, so we're going to take a closer look at those results and what they think could spur some future growth. On the other hand, we have an update from a UK regulator that could put the end to their $69 billion deal with Activision Blizzard. Also, if you haven't done so already, make sure you follow the link in the description down below to download the TipRanks mobile app so you can access the wisdom of over 8,000 analysts on the go. Now, let's get right into Microsoft. Under the ticker MSFT, the Microsoft stock has been seeing some steady gains over the last 6 months. But if we look at this week, there was a solid jump up overnight following their earnings report. The stock is now up 8% today, trading at about $298 per share. Today's gains are following their earnings and revenue beat. Microsoft saw their sales grow 7% year over year. For their third quarter, Microsoft reported earnings per share of $2.45, beating expectations of $2.24. They also reported revenues of $52.86 billion, beating expectations of $51.05. They saw significant gains in several of their segments. Their intelligent cloud brought in $22.1 billion, which was up 16% year over year. Productivity and business processes brought in $17.5 billion, up 11%. Investors were also enthused by comments about strength in AI and their cloud business. Of course, all of these big tech companies are making a big push forward with artificial intelligence. Microsoft's chief executive said that the world's most advanced AI models are coming together with the world's most universal user interface, natural language, to create a new era of computing. Across the Microsoft Cloud, we are the platform of choice to help customers get the most value out of their digital spend and innovate for this next generation of AI. Further comments on AI included, "We have the most powerful AI infrastructure, and it's being used by our partner OpenAI, as well as NVIDIA, and leading AI startups like Adept and Inflection to train large models. Our OpenAI service brings together advanced models, including ChatGPT, GPT-4, with enterprise capabilities of Azure." They also made comments that they're feeling extremely confident on the prospects of their recent bets on artificial intelligence and that Microsoft has a good lead in that area. That confidence is being felt as we have 10 analysts that have reiterated price targets already today. The Microsoft stock currently has 32 analyst ratings, coming in as a strong buy based on 27 buys, 4 holds, and 1 sell. The average price target comes in at $309 for an upside just shy of 4%, but we do have a pretty wide range of targets here. Taking a look at our detailed list, we can see plenty of ratings coming in today. And if we take a look, we can see all of the analysts that have increased their price target on the Microsoft stock, so quite a few. Back at our list here, we can see we do have a sell with a downside at 21% and 1 hold at 1%, but the rest all coming in with buys ranging from 6 to almost 18% upside here, and a lot of those other downsides are from a good few weeks or months ago. So definitely some bullish outlook there from a lot of 5-star analysts. But there is still the matter of the looming Activision Blizzard deal with proposed $69 billion, and today some bad news came from UK regulators. The UK's Competition and Markets Authority, or CMA, stated that it would prohibit the merger as it is likely to lead Microsoft's complete dominance in the cloud gaming services market globally. That has sent the Activision stock downwards today, currently a drop of about 11%. The regulator added that Microsoft already has a market share in the range of 60 to 70% in this market, and even a moderate increment to their strength may be expected to substantially reduce competition in this developing market to the detriment of current and future cloud gaming users. Microsoft President Brad Smith has responded, saying that we remain fully committed to this acquisition and will appeal this decision. He continued that the CMA's decision rejects a pragmatic path to address competition concerns and discourages technology innovation and investment in the UK. They said that they're especially disappointed that after lengthy deliberations, this decision appears to reflect a flawed understanding of this market and the way the relevant cloud technology actually works. So a pretty strong response there. And Activision Blizzard also responded and was not afraid to say how they really felt. In their statement, they said the CMA's report contradicts the ambitions of the UK to become an attractive country to build technology businesses. We will work aggressively with Microsoft to reverse this on appeal. The report's conclusions are a disservice to UK citizens who face increasingly dire economic prospects. We will reassess our growth plans for the UK. Global innovators, large and small, will take note that despite all its rhetoric, the UK is clearly closed for business. Oof, some pretty strong statements there. It is clear that neither company is going to take this decision lying down. There is going to be a big battle between Microsoft, Activision, and the UK regulators to fight to push this deal through. So that is a quick update on the Microsoft stock today. Obviously, the UK's decision is weighing on the Activision Blizzard company, but Microsoft is still seeing those gains with their strong earnings. Let me know your thoughts in the comments on the Microsoft stock and whether you think the UK regulators will back down and let this deal happen. I always appreciate hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.